Yeah, hey friend, good morning, good evening. So in today's session, we have planned for demo classes on Informatica IICS. Okay, so whatever things we have planned, so I will explain the demo. Okay, so please join. Okay, who is not joined, please join. Okay, so today's session we have planned for Informatica. We are going to introduce new batch. My new batch, okay, will start soon on 14th April. So that batch we are covering for IACS courses. Okay, so that courses will start very soon. Here is my YouTube channel. Okay, so that course which will cover here I already drop on one post. ARVP Cloud. Okay, Informatica Cloud courses will start by 14th April. The first batch. Okay, previously most batch of the power centers. Okay, so now I'm going to start my new batch on cloud. So please enroll. This is the number we have already given. So how to enroll? This is the number. Is one way you can enroll, and second way here is given some your QR code. So you can just scan this QR code and it will be automatically redirect to your Google form. That form have all information. You can fill your uh, form according to interest. Okay. So there is other option, and the second option, third option is also available. You can here is our QR code for our channel. So you can visit that channel as well. There is all information. And how to enroll that course? There is you can visit my ARBP Cloud Technology blog spot. Okay. So here is some forms, right? There is form tab. You can click on form. Here is the option. You can log in by your email. Okay. And there is a detail, all whatever which course you want to enroll. You can just select that course. Okay. And enroll. And if you want to pay via UPI or NNP, you can fill the detail as well. So, okay. UPI and William number will be same, like same number. Okay. So this is all detail. So what things I will cover in under IACS, right? So previously, if you who already aware of power center, right? That power center having the multiple component, right? MDM, CDQ, IDQ, okay, uh, and B2 Informatica, B2B Informatica, MDM, okay. So that part is already now when a cloud IACS came, right? Then when IACS came in picture, I think. Around 14 13 14 it will came, right? So then that time is the CI and CI that was included under ISCS. Now there is one umbrella Informatica build. There is Informatica, right? Informatica is the product based company. Okay, that product based company, that main center is in US. Okay, and some in this office also in India as well, like in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai as well. Okay, so see the basically product, whatever product now his product design in one umbrella called is IDMC, Informatica Intelligent Data Management Cloud, right? There he included all part like CDI, CEI, CDQ, B2B, MDM, right? Other CDG, mushroom data governance tool, everything he included under one umbrella. So he provide even AI part also, he provide Clear GPT. Okay, suppose if someone want to learn AI, that Clear GPT is also they provided. Okay, so automate that things. Okay, that flavor also if you want I will provide. But yeah, here in this course I will going to cover in ISCS. There is IDMC called IDMC, and CI and CDI part. That fees we have planned side 15K. Okay, so suppose and that course will if you want to join today, will get some offer as well. So please ping on this WhatsApp number for for course enrollment. Okay, so the course duration will be on 51 days. Okay, 51 days, like 80 to 85 hours. Okay, so that course, yeah, it can be varied, not a fixed like either by. Okay, so yeah, maximum we have taken the maximum so that I can explain in detail as well, so that every topic we can cover. And suppose you don't have there is a prerequisite power center knowledge is required for ICS learn. suppose you don't have experience or learning right in Power Center, then please enroll please learn first the Power Center so that you can grab all knowledge in Power Center, then you can move in IICS. But yeah, to directly learn, yeah, you can start on. I will explain in Power Center as well, but yeah, you need to work on practice more required, right? So who don't know like a power knowledge, then you can join my batch in Power Center. Okay, there is flexibility. If you want to join, you can join. Okay, the timing is both slot is morning and evening by 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, that is the IST timing, and in evening as well 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so fees for already I was explaining here 15K. So you can pay that fees. Okay, there is flexibility in pay amount also. Okay, so this is the IICS that include ICA and CDI will provide real-time project as well. A recording also I will provide the post the class once class get over. I will provide the recording as well, and even and our task as well, like task like suppose we have whatever I was explained, right? That some questions and the things like scenario will given to you so that you can practice. Yeah, practice is required, so then you can understand and then you can ask right in next session. Otherwise, if you listen and if you not do anything, it will be not beneficial. So who want to like do the practice and everything, then I can join, right? So this is all this one. So here is some course content. So please go through my course content. Whatever I will explain. Here is the course content. So mostly I will explain the total. I have like a 15 years of experience in data warehousing projects. Yeah, multiple company we have. So here is the trainer will provide the remote, right? Trainer have the 15-year experience. So they have very good experience in IICS, okay, in Power Centers and multiple like ATL to like ODI as well and ISSIS as well. But yeah, mostly he had the good knowledge in ISCS because ISCS is recently came right 2 3 years back. Yeah, but he have the real time migration knowledge and everything so that they can provide you the best knowledge right in this part. Okay, so in here will provide the practice real time explanation, day to day explanation, all real time mapping configuration, everything, right? So whatever the business requirement, right, that things also they will explain. And cloud database like Snowflake, Salesforce, GCP and AWS, all doubt will clear on live session. Okay, so interview question also topic will cover once class get over, right? All, so we'll take the some class for dedicated class on this part, like so that your interview can prepared and interview session also will conduct, right? So that part will also cover, and the real time project will provide you explain, right? CDI and CI both, so that you can do your real time project, and I will guide which industry domain also will explain, right? Which domain kind of things will come. Okay, so after this, we'll provide some real-time document explanation, resume building. Suppose we will guide you how to build because recently, mostly this time is not required mostly because AI is came, right? So most of the people are taking the help from AI. So you can take the help from AI. AI can help also. But yeah, if you want to us to guide you how to build your resume, yeah, we also provide that kind of service so that you can build your resume as well. So you can take the help as well. Like after this interview question and tips to clear like how to get the ISCS certification, right? So how to get your ISCS certification, I will also help you how to get that ISCS certification, how to crack that. Even not ISCS, if you want to Power Center or any other cloud related certification, if you want, I will guide you, right? How to take and how to like AWS, right? If you want to take the certification preparation, I will surely guide you. You can just ping or ask, right? here is the core duration, right? Minimum 75 plus hour, like 80, 25, I already explained, right? So minimum 40 days need for a CDI course. Okay. So here some software required, like Oracle database, SQL developer, IICS, SQL agent to start. Then trial account. Okay. PPT, simple data model, case study I will give in. Okay. Online interactive live based Zoom, via Zoom will provide you the training. After that, I will provide the ISCS introduction, right? What is the first part? Will provide you differences, right? ISCS, Power Center, differences, architecture. What is the architecture of ISCS? Okay. Or what is the secure agent, right? How to install the secure agent, how to secure agent to working actually. Suppose you install the secure agent in one model, okay, one place, and then how it's working, right? So that's kind of things we'll explain, right? So here I okay, you understood, right? After that, we'll explain the login and how to connector, what how many connector is available, right? Connect database, Salesforce, Snowflake, Google Image, and flat file, whatever, like DB2, Teradata, and whatever the database available, like MongoDB. So that those database available in our market, right? That how to connect the database, how to work on this database, how to fetch the data, right? These kind of things I will explain. Okay. So not complete database will explain, yeah, but yeah, will basic things will explain whatever I mentioned. Yeah, suppose you have any queries, you want to like a specific database in working in your industry, you can ask. I will explain surely. Okay. So help is always welcome, right? Whatever you need, that things will explain. There is the working with ISCS, create new project ISCS. Okay, create a folder under projects, create a mapping ICS canvas, complete source target properties, working with mapping configuration tasks, right? Monitoring job, synchronize the field, okay? Working with transformation ICS, reusable transformation, source transformation, real time, okay, example and its property, target transformation, okay? Router, filter, working with flat file, expression, whatever the transformation, right? You can go through these transformation will explain, right? So in during the session. So here is number already given, 8447696342. And remember this number, you can just WhatsApp for enrollment. Okay. So all transformation, right? If you notice normalizer, Java, transaction control. Okay. So these transaction will explain. After that, parameterize, how to parameterize those mapping, right? That mapping parameter, parameter panel, input and input output parameter, connector connection parameter, using parameter file directory and parameter file name, right? So IACS complex mapping example, flow run order. Okay, how to flow, like you can change the sequencing of order, right? So you have in written, like whose guys of power center, right? There is flow order can change, right? So if they have multiple pipeline, they can also change, right? So that things also I will explain. IACS SCD type 1, type 2 with real time example. Okay, explain. And the implementation of fact load in ISS with real-time example. And I will explain some dev QA and production environment, like what is the differentiate, like because if you go in industry, right, in real-time works environment, there is multiple environment. There is development, QA, UAT, then production. This kind of environment you face, then you can start development. Okay. So now in macros also in ISS, expression macros, horizontal, vertical, hybrid, dynamic. Macros also I will explain. JSN part also will explain some XML component of this. Okay. How, what is the task? And these things also in my plate. Mostly part will explain. Okay. So yeah, second part, like in CI will explain the API, what is the API, why we need like REST API, so Postman, right? Swagger, all things will explain, right? How to call that things file to via the Postman, right? Set up to sign in, create project. This kind of things will explain under CI. Call API in ICSI, service connector, configure service connector with using form, okay, bidding. So those things will Swagger file all right under CI. That thing will explain in detail also. So please join this page. Okay. So this page is very interesting. Okay. So if you join, we'll explain very much in detail. So yeah. So this is all about our topic, whatever I will covered under this upcoming batch. Okay. So you can just go through these things and just try to enroll on this number. Okay. Once you enroll, we'll guide you. Start the batch by 14th. Okay. So yeah, this is all about our session, like for a demo session. Okay. So we'll come in next session. Okay. So everything will explain in IICS. Okay. So yeah. Thanks for joining. You can just enroll. If any question, you can just ping on WhatsApp and just will guide you, or you can call also. No problem. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Thank you. Thanks for joining.